So before proceeding further, the precues for Nest.js is you need to learn about React.js, because Nest.js is based on React.js. So React.js knowledge is essential for Nest.js. So let us start our journey. In Nest.js, creating routes is very easy. If you know the routing in React.js, means we need use the React DOM and we are creating some complex route. But in Nest.js we use the file based routing. So we need to just create a folder, and inside the folder we need to create the page.js file. So the page.js file is the UI file. So we can see in the app directory the page.js. So it is the home page. So now we modify our home page. And I put the h1 tag hello world. So we can see the hello world text, but why it is black in the background? So that is the global styles in the layout. So I am removing this. So now we can see our hello world clearly. So to create another page means we need to create a folder inside app directory. So I am creating a folder about, and inside the about I create a page.js. So I am using the extension of React. So it gives the component easily. So the extension name is ES7 plus. So you can download and use this extension for fastly creating components. So now I have the about page. So let us navigate to the about page. So now we can see the text about. So this is the basic about routing. So next we need to see about the component hierarchy in routing. So first we see the URL terminology. So this is our domain, and below all the segments. So these are segment 1 and this is segment 1. So the totally we thought path. So the next one is component 3. So that is the app is the main tree, and inside we have many subtrees. So this is one of the subtree, and inside the subtree we have dashboard. So for this subtree the dashboard is the root, and inside we have many folders, that is analytics settings, and inside the analytics we have password and profile. So the last segment we call ref. So this is the last segment. So this is ref, and these are two last segments. So these are we call ref. Ref is the last segment in the URL. So for example, dashboard/settings/password. So this is a URL and the password is the last one. So that is the ref. So after below the ref there are no more segments. So now we are clear with the terminology of routing. So the next we are going to see the client and server components. So in Nest.js all the components are by default server components. So if you need any client component means at the top we need to use client. We cover all these things later in this tutorial. For the basics you know these things now. So our default server component, to use client component we just use client at the top. So now it become client component. So why we need client component means if you need any browser functionality or browser API like router storage or React use state, use effect, all these things require browser side. So for the browser side we need to use the use client. If you use use state without use client means it will render in the server, then the server does not know about use state, so it will cause error. So these are the basic about client and server components. So we will dive deep into in later part of the course.